Hi guys, first you have to open PowerPoint on your Mac, choose new presentation, or if you already have the presentation you purchase or you have, that's okay. Go to the View tab, click on it, go to the Slide Master, and here is the collection that PowerPoint already have inside. But if you want to have your custom fonts, I will leave the link below so you can have this one. But in the next clip, I will show you how you can easily set up by yourself this kind of fonts. I will choose another one so I can help you edit by yourself. You don't have to be a programmer or anything like that, so stay tuned. And we are back. Here is the online XML editor. Here is the XML file. Don't worry guys, you will have it in the description box. I will leave it for you, so don't worry, you can follow along. So here is what you need to change. For the headings, you need to change this part. When it says Source Sans Pro, you will change it with your desired font, and here also for the heading. On this part is for the body. Source Sans Pro Lite is my chosen font for the body, so I type it just like this. And when it's done, go to the download button, click on it, and locate it file, show in Finder, and here it is. Now we can change the name of it, Source Sans Pro, and copy it in the theme fonts. So when we open the PowerPoint presentation, we will find it. You will see. When we open the PowerPoint presentation, let me show you. Go to the View tab, go to the Slide Master, go to the fonts, and you will find it here. Here is the font we just created, Source Sans Pro, and Source Sans Pro Lite for the body. Click on it, and it will automatically change through the whole presentation.